since my first visit Europe, 1973, I carry this message: universal responsibility.
Hello. Welcome to England. Greeting. Thank you.
My main commitment, number one, promotion of human value. Number two, promotion of religious harmony. These two things I committed till my death.
Him and to show our appreciation of him coming to the United Kingdom. We will be attending some of his teachings and also his public talk in Albert Hall. And also I'll be joining in Oxford to receive him there as well.
And then we will ask you to go to the lectern.
Fellow governors, distinguished guests, staff and students of London Metropolitan University, in recognition of his outstanding achievements in promoting peace globally and for his spiritual guidance and leadership, I present to you, for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy honoris causa, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama.
Spiritual leader, and it is. So, I mean, if I'm honest, like when he's honest, came inside the room, and just like tears filled up. But it's just genuine. And it's just, that's what it is. And I couldn't even speak.
Good. Thank you.
Over the years, I've had the pleasure to confer honorary degrees.
To meet you, sir. An honour to meet you.
Okay, guys.
Namaste.
Please.
Thank you. Indian. Oh, nearly half century.
Yeah, long time. So.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sorry.
You don't need to return to your dressing room.
No, we'll go straight. Okay, we'll go straight.
Are you very tired?
No.
No. You've got more energy than I have then. That's a very good...
These are the people, large number of people, so they are really showing some kind of and in full spirit.
Yes.
So that fresh, being fresh.
Yes, that's good. So there we are. I think we're through. Yes.
Thank you very much. It's a privilege. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
So, thank you.
Have a safe journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you. No time. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Holiness and other friends, May I simply welcome you here to Lambeth Palace this morning, simply to come to meet His Holiness on his visit to the United Kingdom. But it seemed that the most appropriate way of beginning this morning was
Express now travelling on this 1455 East Village train service for Nottingham. My name's Kyle in charge for this service this afternoon. Service calls Leicester, due to arrive Leicester at 16:04.
Just want to come along this way. Thank you. Is it a good journey? Good journey, yes. Excellent. Fortunately, we didn't have the weather for you. It'll be a better day tomorrow.
I've been the Deputy Lord Mayor of Nottingham for...
I just thought how charming he was, how natural, how friendly, how humorous he was. I mean, that came out very much so, his humour, and you can see the twinkle in his eye the whole time.
His Holiness Dalai Lama is a manifestation as a human being of the Buddha of compassion. This is an inspiration, a really huge inspiration for all of us, for UK, Nottingham, and for everyone.
For the world.
Your Holiness, may I, on behalf of the Queen, welcome you to Oxfordshire.
Thank you. Very well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
May I present the President of the College, Dr. Clary. Dr. Clary.
Your Holiness, Taché Dide. Welcome to Magdalen College. We're delighted to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you.
You brought the good weather. Thank you very so much.
Yes. Please class. You'll be staying here for the next 2 nights. Very good. Yes. Mr. Flower.
It's called Free Montedendron.
Oh.
It's from California.
I see.
It's American plant.
First kind of seed.
Yes.
This kind of.
It likes it nice and warm against the warm wall. So it likes the heat. It likes the heat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
again. Yes. See you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you much.
Watch the step here. It's Caroline Tucker.
Charismatic figure, that makes it even harder for him to retire. So I think it'll be a huge problem once he passes on. What's going to happen, and it's going to have great significance about the future of the Tibetan people, because for them he's sort of the source of unity and the source of cohesion of the society and the culture.
I'm very grateful.
We're all grateful.
You from Japan or Korea?
No, I'm from Blackfriars.
That's right.
Yes, I'm from Malaysia.
Malaysia?
From Malaysia.
What is the purpose of your visit here today?
Here mainly, I think I've been a few times, and now this time, mainly one of my commitment is promotion of religious harmony
Do you feel that you're winning the argument over Tibet?
No, I don't know. Because of 10th March crisis, now my visit become politicized, too much politicized. Okay.
This is Father Richard, Regent of Black.
Honoured to meet you and welcome you to Blackfriars.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yes. Oh. Like that. Okay.
How splendid. Thank you.
Thank you.
Actually, the way in which I came to be his principal interpreter is more of a coincidence. Actually, that was in 1985. I was a young monk, one of the students, among many thousands studying in one of the Tibetan monastic universities.
Again here. Good morning. Of course, the place very nice, very peaceful, and also decorated peacocks, very beautiful. But weather is not so kind today.
I think it's just one of these events that's so significant.
Oh, shaman. Perhaps one put here. Come here. In 1935, I born this planet. The East, China, already some bloodshed. The West, about to develop the major war. So perhaps I think I made mistake to choose my time.
You come on my left hand side, so thank you. Too many cameras. Thanks, sir.
The Dalai Lama has become a global icon in the West, a smiling saint or a divine statesman exiled from his homeland of Tibet. But his story and that of his country has been muddled by myth and propaganda, both in the East and West. The Tibet issue is one of the most costly and long-standing territorial disputes the world has ever known. But the focus of this film is to witness the ongoing efforts and to understand in his own words the Dalai Lama's intent to resolve it once and for all.
For Tibet and welcome you back to home.
I fully committed about one China. I fully committed my middle approach, so don't worry.
For the last 3 years, our film...
For us to stand on the hill over there to get a long shot of you on the balcony.
After months of negotiation, the Dalai Lama opened his door to our cameras. And we've been following the Tibetan leader as he seeks to find an elusive common ground with the Chinese government, enabling him to return to the land of his people. But time is not on his side. Throughout the making of this film, both the subject, the footage of the actions and reactions of the Tibetan leader will inevitably be scrutinized carefully from Washington to Beijing. And for that reason, there's no voiceover. The Dalai Lama can speak for himself, and you can make up your own mind.
Notwithstanding the tremendously...
Welcome to Canada. Welcome.
This is it.
We have to go back to Washington today, so this is the last time we'll see you. Love you.
How about no longer being?
My approach is actually the sort of way of approach to all problems, very cautious. It's important.
Can I ask where we're going now?
Audience, Tibetan, who recently come. Then some, I think, from Ladakh.
These are Tibetans who've come over from Tibet?
Yes.
Recently?
That's right. So I think almost every month, some Tibetans now come. So I always meet them and give them some, encouragement. That's my duty.
A lot of them come to see you?
Yes. I think with unrealistic expectation. 당연하다. 맹가지 다지시다. 그래 샤주시잖아. 개지 말이. 맹가 쳐지시기나. 그래서 너도 손다. Many of them return. So, in the past, because here, free country, no immediate danger. So they sometimes, due to our carelessness, when these people return, some gets arrested.
Why do you think the Chinese...
Liverpool's preparing for the arrival of one of the world's biggest spiritual leaders. The Dalai Lama will give a lecture at the Anglican Cathedral, where he's set to pick up an honorary fellowship from John Moores University. The Chinese government have complained about the visit. They occupy his home country of Tibet and accuse him of trying to split the motherland. The Dalai Lama fled in 1959 and has lived in exile ever since.
Clandestine Jormuchipa Budan Janal Dendishune in Chike Zabatili Nur Taya Gitabshi Tubu Yuto Yamina clandestine Jangumuchipa Pemowajne Kusi Chazan Chilol Chair Juya Gitabshi Yudu Logo Mavresumdu Kunzuta Tsuti Yamare Kange Chishute Logo Mavda Tsumatiba. 다 이내 가서 단다 정군치 공로야 펜도 유비인사 되게 템비 신접지레마도 지단다 벽이 간요데 마사마스네 되게 말해
もありますが、その前に全員で般若心経を読受したいと思います。
はい、では生徒手帳名札の方を出してください。
야, 들이 양자 사직 될래버리 하장 가보죠. 엔들데 학벌투에 비게다 가족이나 찍리야 땅안 낭벌에 애니 싫으니부 닌다를 시던 되게 요래 맨 싸움도 되게 요래 싫으니부 전다디 애니 토마토 파도 쌈 타마 곰제. Some of you really looks very, very serious. I want to see your teeth. That's much better. I think smile, genuine smile is one of the unique about the human face. So we must use that. I think tiger, very good teeth, but no ability to show the teeth. If tiger shows teeth, brings fear. The human teeth show brings peace, happy. Okay, thank you. I really appreciate the leaders, organizers this opportunity. Thank you very much. It's not finished. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
На севере Индии уже 50 лет живет монах.
British. I'll go.
Есть еще и охрана, состоящая из воинов-тибетцев. Видимо, в настоящее время этот человек действительно нуждается в охране. Парадоксальная вещь. Человек, проповедующий ненасилие, круглосуточно окружен вооруженными людьми.
Firstly, I want to express my greeting to all brothers, sisters.
Вновь расходятся.
His Holiness the Dalai Lama visited Japan from 15th to 23rd November 2007. His Holiness was invited by All Buddhist Federation and Kanagawa Buddhist Federation for the commemoration of 50th and 40th anniversary. On his arrival, he was being received by Mr. Tsokol Hakbala, representative of His Holiness the Dalai Lama Japan, Venerable Ryojo Kurata, the Vice Chairman of Kanagawa Buddhist Federation, and the Buddhist monks. In 1967, His Holiness visited Japan for the first time, and this is his 12th visit.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
On 17 November 2007, His Holiness the Dalai Lama briefed the media at Kokokan University, during which he responded to the questions on various issues.
Dalai Lama is concerned.
On 18 November, His Holiness the Dalai Lama left for Ise Shrine. Ise Shrine is the holiest and the most important Shinto shrine in Japan. His Holiness, the chief priest of the shrine, Venerable Toshiya Wada, and Mr. Shishu Makino, the former member of the Japanese Parliament and the founder of the Diet Members League for the Tibetan issue, walking hand in hand through the large shrine complex and paid respect to the main inner shrine. This is a part of His Holiness the Dalai Lama's commitment to promote religious harmony by paying respect to religious places around the world. His Holiness the Dalai Lama participated at the Interfaith Forum at Kokakan University Auditorium. His Holiness emphasized on the need of religious harmony. This Interfaith Forum was participated by the heads of Shinto religion, Buddhist and Shuganto faiths.
I never state I'm all of the church. No, never. I always describe myself as a simple Buddhist. Even in my dream, I often
On 20th November, His Holiness gave the valedictory speech to some 5,000 Japanese Buddhists in the National Convention Hall of Yokohama City as a part of a grand function to commemorate the 40th founding anniversary of Kanagawa Buddhist Federation.
and shows up to me what you see and to James Salia and 말을 듣지 않고 시간 가보시고 행위하는 주제의 개발적인 강화 아니 나는다 섬주시고요. Now we are in 21st century.
On 21st November, His Holiness met with the national and international media people at Hachiuji New Grand Hotel.
Main purpose of my visit, non-political. And meantime, I also always do not want to create any inconvenience to anybody. So, no problem. At our first meeting, she as a leader of the opposition, we had a very interesting discussion. So I feel she keep human friendship, spirit of human friendship. So in spite she become chancellor, still same human being.
After the press briefing, His Holiness addressed a huge gathering on modern world and spiritual values.
What is the meaning of modernity? What's that? I think modernity maybe is related mainly experience on physical level, structure of house and different missions, different costumes, clothes and lifestyle, food style. 这个先用它了呀，不过先用推销买不起钱，先说，我那个人就排盖的，就可是偷渡的便宜，先不钱的，钱的开心不的，不先说，哎，吃不了下，先说，先拿一这些嘞。
This tiger. That's fact. It's fact, of course. Without so now this is a fact. Now we are seeing, you see, the picture of tiger. So there is tiger. Now further question. What is tiger? All these are there and working. And causes and effect, all there. Law of causality. This is the basis of Buddhist sort of belief. Now my favorite television is BBC. Oh, what is that? That day I think face no smile. I don't know what happened.
But as a Tibetan, I want to extend my welcome to you to visit my own country.
You're slightly shaking your head. Yes. I've never seen you with your glasses off before.
Really?
I've never seen you with your glasses off. Do I seem very small? Am I a bit blurred? But I mean, you are.
That's my daily life and daily routine. Breakfast, lunch, no dinner.
That's very tricky. I know you're very busy. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
दस्तावेजों से हटा 80 million people desperately trying to get
a seat, because we all know we could be stuck on this train for hours or...
So American continent, Africa, Asia, and here, Central Asia. Now Tibet is my home.
Накануне отъезда у нас состоялся большой разговор с Далай-ламой. Он говорил о том, как избежать войн.
My rebirth, limitless. From the Buddhist viewpoint, not only me, you also, limitless, beginningless life. Sometimes I do feel in my dream, dream or semi-dream, there's a faint sort of feeling. My previous life, about a few hundred years ago in Tibet, and also a few hundred years ago, one occasion. And then through that way, at the time of Buddha, I may somewhere in the vicinity of Buddha's time. So therefore, my rebirth limitless. If you have rebirth sort of concept, then death is something like change our cloth. When this old cloth become old and unusable, then a time come, change. 잘래서 차중에 룩도 차중에 발리 몇개 야 발리 열어 말해 열어봐 발리 장면에 거야 왜 발리 장면에 거야래 발리 중에 중주로 받아 발리 중을 왜 살살해 제가 발리 대여 입으라다 이사디 자타버지 애는 장고르다 우심식 장고르다 장쇼 저저게怎么这些 우심식 장시 두르셔 있습니다这장쇼你우야지 태 어머 알아봐서나 데데데데데데데데데데데데 다人别 긴등은 뉴스로 거야 철치 근데 인도에는 제가 가디에 타마 춘중 타마 뉴가나 대대하다 근데 인도야 부르디야 계셔 애야 초가로 제세 다전에 초가 뒤에 중자 애니 철수 철친제 다 도스대디야 도스엔 다도 초가 뒤도 차잖아 장수 차상게다 초가 원래다 호텔 때문에 있는데 철수 수업에 그도 차슈 그도 철수도다 배주시아마다 저는 비싸게 매매서지 다음에도 들을 때가 루루시아 소리들이 소두산에 팬토도 와라 사실 장수 때문에 저지 정해서래 딱 가다면 제일 상월로면 그다보다 저지 나한테 투시 쇼기 어다 도스래 고불루주 되어 여루쇼니나 벤두주디나 디안더 루주디 르무디 공루션신시도 되게 재문요 그 되게 제대로잖아 다 루주디 공루션신시래샤 루주부 때문에 달살에서 버리 잘했단 말이야 뭐네 야고도가 신남지한테 루주 지금 공루샤 쇼를 쓰거라 공루갑지 주지 쓰거라 지금 제 장사를 지금도가 이미 루루션신시도 돼 자자가 디디드 뭐냐 전에기 땡진들 버전 사야지 쉬우지래 그거 자요 안 뜻이래